other conditions. So let us start with some more examples to make you understand little better. So today's things will be, as in the previous thing we have done, area of the circle calculation, area under the curve. Now today I'm taking a parabola. This parabola is y square, color I must change. See, we have been given y square is equals to 4x. We need to calculate the area of this parabola and y-axis from point 0 to 3. It means we are going to calculate this area. To calculate this particular area, what we are supposed to do, this point is 0, 3, this point is 0, 0. Now, to calculate this area, I am going with respect to y-axis. So the strip which we are making, that is of thickness dy, that is x. So area of strip will be x dy. When we need to calculate the required area for this will be integral, that is summation from 0 to the point till where it is said in the question 3. Now value of x we are going to put. So the value of x in this particular question will be, from this we could calculate this 0 to 3 y square upon 4 dy. It will be 1 upon 4 y to power 3 upon 3. 0 to 3. So it will be 1 upon 12. Y cube means 3 cube minus 0 cube. So it will be 1 by 12, 27. I could simplify it. It will be 9 upon 4 square units will be the area under this curve from 0 to 3. So likewise, we could calculate the required area under the given curve. So we have got is 9 by 4. Area under the given condition is 9 upon 4 square units. So like this way, we could calculate the areas. Now see, one thing I must tell you, in your syllabus only first exercise is left, rest is not in your thing. Also you need to keep in mind. One, I'm taking ellipse. It will be x square upon 3 square plus y square upon 2 square equals to 1. We are going to calculate a specific condition with this. First of all, we are making the ellipse. Now this ellipse is, it is 3 and it is 2. We need to calculate area for this particular condition. Let me make once again. See, now it is not forming very symmetric, but no problem. You will be able to at least think about it. Now, if it comes, we need to calculate the area of whole ellipse. Then in this case, first of all, we need to make a strip in the first quadrant. And we will be calculating required area is equals 4 times, because I'm calculating only in the first quadrant, and then we'll make it 4 times. So 0 to 3 y dx, and the value of y we need to calculate, so it will be y square upon 2 square is equals to 1 minus x square on 3 square. Y square can be written as 2 square by 3 square, 3 square minus x square. The value of y will be 2 by 3 under root 3 square minus x square. This value of y will put over here. So we'll be getting 8 by 3 integral 0 to 3. Okay, let me write full. 4 times 0 to 3, 2 by 3 under root 3 square minus x square dx. With this, we could calculate the required area, which is of whole ellipse. But right now, the question which I am planning is not same to this. So for that, what we are supposed to do, now value of y I will put from there. That's why I have put. Now, we need to calculate the area. We need to calculate the area from 1 to 2. Means this whole area we need to calculate. To calculate this whole area, first of all, what I'm doing, I'm writing the points. This is 1, 0. This point is 2, 0. I'm making a thin strip of thickness dx and height y. The value of y is written over here. So required area will be 1 to 2. Required area will be 1 to 2, because initial point to calculate the area is starting from point 1 to 2. Value of y will be 2 by 3 under root 3 square minus x square dx. Now see, the area which I am calculating, that area is only in the first quadrant, that is above the x-axis, and we need to calculate the area under the x-axis also. Under the x-axis also we need to calculate the area. So for that, what I am doing, I need to make the whole area twice. 2 times means it will be both the parts, above the x-axis also and under the x-axis also, inside the ellipse. So it will be 4 by 3. Now the area, initial limit 1 to final limit 2, under root a square minus x square. Its formula is x by 2 under root a square minus x square, that is 3 square minus x square, plus a square by 2, a is 3, 3 square by 2 sine inverse x upon a. By putting the limit, you will be able to calculate the final answer. With this, you will be able to calculate the final answer in this region, whatever the required area is. So hope you will be able to calculate this by putting the limit. Such questions are now important because syllabus is up to this only. So we need to take care of these all the things, and we need to practice similar type of questions also. So practice more so that you must be able to do this kind of questions. Now one more question. See, it is same as I have done in the previous class, but still I am doing. Y, let me change the color. Y is equals to under root 4 minus x square. If we think, we will find that it will form a circle, because on squaring it will become y square is equals to 4 minus x square. Further, x square I am taking on the left hand side, it will become x square plus y square equals to 2 square. So that is the equation of circle. But right now, if the curve is given us in this form, just imagine in this condition, y will be always positive. On this particular condition, many of the times I've seen students used to make mistakes. So the graph in this condition will be only this. Why only this? Because y cannot be negative. Root will not give us negative result. It will be always positive. The value of y in this condition will be always positive. The value of y in this condition will be always positive. So we'll be getting the situation as this. The graph will be this. If whole graph you are thinking, then this side I'm just showing you dotted. It will be a circle, but we won't make this in that manner. So only we need to calculate the area of the half circle. Now this circle area calculation. I'm making a thin strip. Of thickness dx, height y. Initial point I'll take from 0, 0, and final point I'll be taking 2, 0. Now this area we need to calculate. So area or required area will be 2 times, because I'm calculating only in the first quadrant. I'm calculating this. So afterwards I'll make double of this. It will be 0 to 2, the value of y dx. Y dx is the area of that strip which I have made with the green color. So it will be 2 times 0 to 2. The value of y will be under root 2 square minus x square dx. This will be the value of y. Now we need to simplify it. On simplification, we will be getting the required area. So required area will be, after simplifying this particular question, you will be able to get the required area of this specific semicircle. So I suppose every one of you will be able to simplify this question. It's a good, important, and easy question. Now we'll be going for the next exactly most of the questions are given with two curve conditions, and we have to calculate only with the one curve. Okay, yes, we can take the modulus one curve also. So let me reach to that particular question. In definite integral, we have done some of the modulus one questions. In modulus questions, we need to split the limit. So over here also, we will be going like that only. Like a very simple condition I'm taking, y is equals to mod. Its graph will be like this. Now this graph, we are going to calculate the area under this graph for the limits they will be giving us in the particular specific question. I'm saying it -2 0 2 2 0. This area we need to calculate. By chance it is coming symmetric, so one area calculation and then double we could do. But one thing you need to keep in mind, this area will be before x-axis, so it will be negative. After this will be positive. So positive plus negative, if you will do, then it will be coming 0. So what we will be going to do, area will be -2 to 0 plus 0 to 2. It is symmetric, so directly 0 to 2 also we can calculate and we will be getting the right answer. But no problem, I'm solving it for the whole. Now -2 to 0, -2 to 0, it is x. 0 to 2, again it is x. But -2 to 0, whatever we will be putting value, it will be coming negative, and this will be positive. Dx dx. Keep in mind, area of triangle is always, sorry, area of anything is always positive. Area of anything is always positive. So we must put mod. Now this negative sign won't make any impact on you. Simply you will be getting the right answer. Simply you will be getting the right answer. So need not to be worried about it. Now let us think. X will be x square by 2 with negative sign from -2 to 0 plus x square by 2 from 0 to 2. So it will be mod, sorry, mod I forgot to write, 0 by 2 minus -2 square by 2 plus 2 square by 2 minus 0 by 2. So this will be 4 by 2, that is 2 plus 2 equals to 4 square units will be the area under this curve. Now let us think, is it 4? So see, this base is 2 and height will also be 2 because x equals to y condition. So x equals to y condition, this will be half 2 into 2. That will be 2 is the area of this triangle, 2 will be the area of this triangle. So 2 plus 2 will be the 4 required triangle will be giving us area as 4 square units. This is the verification. Everything we cannot verify. Now ellipse one condition we were not able to verify, but some of the situations, some of the problems are there which we could verify easily. So I suppose this specific question Now you will be able to simplify. Now, similar question, I'm telling you that you need to practice, but few things we will be going to think. This is fx equals to mod x plus 3. It is NCERT question. We need to calculate its area from x1, that is initial limit minus 6, to x2, that is final limit, that is 0. So minus 6 to 0, we are going to calculate the area. So this area now, how will be its graph? When x will be minus 3, then y will be equals to 0. So its graph will be coming like this. And we need to calculate from minus 6 to 0. In between, it will be striking on minus 3 also. Minus 3, 0, minus 6, 0, and this will be 0, 0. So the total area which we need to calculate is this. So like this way, we could calculate. Now, this is your task to simplify it. Let me tell you one more thing. Area or required area will be minus 6 to minus 3 x plus 3. Now, in this particular reason, whatever you will be putting, that will be coming negative, plus mod minus 3 to 0 x plus 3. This will be positive dx. So like this way, we could calculate the required area. Now you have to simplify this. And I am finding this will be the most important question for the upcoming board examination. Because now in the scenario, whatever is left, that is not fitting as per the level of board examination. And also now 6 marks questions won't be the part of the board examination. Highest marks will be 5. So we will not be getting questions as per the previous years. One more question which I feel I must solve. It is also NCERT question and is a very good and important question. Using the method of integration, find the area bounded by the curve. Find the area bounded by the curve. Mod x plus mod y equals to 1. We are going to calculate area under in the bounded in this curve. So there will be 4 different scenarios. See, mod means plus minus x plus minus y equals to 1. So 4 equations I'm taking. First will be x plus y will be equals to 1. Next will be minus x plus y will be equals to 1. Next will be x minus y equals to 1. Last will be minus x minus y equals to 1. These 4 equations we are going to draw with 4 different colors so that you must be able to understand. First equation I'll be making with red itself. So this equation 1, I'm drawing with the red coloring. So when x is 0, y will be 1. And when y is 0, x will be 1. So this will be the equation of the, line. Next equation 2, I'm going to draw with the yellow coloring. Now, when x is 0, y will be 1. And when y is 0, x will be minus 1. So its graph will be third equation with the green color I am drawing. When x is 0, y will be -1. And when y is 0, x will be 1. So it will be coming last with the blue color I am making. When x is 0, y will be -1. And when y is 0, x will be -1. So this is the reason bounded by the mod x plus mod y equals to 1. This is the reason bounded in mod x plus mod y equals to 1. We need to calculate this area. So what we will be doing, we will be calculating area in the first quadrant, and it is symmetric. So 4 times we'll do. So the required area will be from the limit. This is 0, 0, and this point is 1, 0. So 0 to 1. The value of y in this particular red one curve is, the value of y is 1 minus x dx. Now on integrating it, sorry, this is the area for first quadrant. We are calculating the required area. I have written required area means total area. So for total area, 1, 2, 3, 4. By chance, this I have made 3. So these 4 areas we need to add, and the diagram is symmetric. So it will be 4 times. So 4 times means 4x minus integral of 1 was x, and x will be x square by 2 from 0 to 1. It is 4 times the value of x. I'm putting 1 minus 1 square by 2 minus 0 minus 0 square by 2. So this is altogether 0. So 4 times 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. So the overall area will be coming 2 square units. So the area of this particular closed region will be 2 square units. Keep in mind, whenever you are making a specific area, you have to make a strip of thickness dx and height y. Area 0 to 1, y dx will be writing. We are putting directly the value of y. It is a good and important question. And previous 2 questions I feel are good and fitting for the board purpose. So I suppose now you will be able to do these questions. One more question I'm taking. This will make you understand little more better. See this question carefully, the one which I have done on the screen right now. Then I'm going for one more question, and it will be the last question for the day. Exactly with this, we are going to say the chapter is over, because nothing more is left in the syllabus. We'll be going to do some of the question with 2 curve conditions, but in the coming days. But syllabus wise, whatever is said by the board, whatever I have taught you till now, that is only coming in this chapter. Rest, nothing will be there. Using integration, find the area of the region bounded by the line y is equals to 1 plus x. Y equals to 1 plus x. The x-axis and the ordinates -2 to 3. We need to calculate x equals to -2 to 3. We need to calculate this area. So first of all, we must Draw the line. When x is 0, the value of y will be 1. And when y is 0, x will be minus 1. This is the specific line we need to calculate the area for this from -2 to 3. So -2 is somewhere here and 3 is somewhere here. So this point will be -2, 0. This will be 3, 0. We need to calculate this particular area. Let me shade that area. This we need to calculate. Now, when we are calculating this area, this must be split into the regions where it is striking on the x-axis, and where it is striking on the x-axis when y is 0, that is -1, 0 will be the point where it cuts the x-axis. So to calculate the area, we will be going to split it. Exactly, area is -2 to 3 y dx. But this particular part is negative side and other is positive. That's why what we'll be going to do, -2 to -1, x plus 1 dx plus -1 to 3. Now -1 to 3 directly we can take. Graph will be same, x plus 1 dx. Now see, the first particular reason to be negative. So negative means mod we must put. Mod on anything we can put because area cannot be negative. This mistake many of the times students used to make. So please take care of this thing. You should not make any kind of mistakes. Now mod minus times x will be x square by 2 plus 1 will be x. From -2 to -1 plus integral x will be x square by 2 plus 1 will be x from -1 to 3. Start simplifying it. I'll be asking anybody for the answer. So I suppose you have got the area for this. If you have got this area, then very good. Otherwise, you have to simplify and get the answer. So altogether, this is the overall chapter which is left in the syllabus of applications of integrals. So this you have to practice. Whatever doubts you are getting, that you can discuss with me in the coming days. So please keep revising, keep solving as many questions you could solve. But the questions which I have done are only the part of the syllabus. So similar type of questions they will be asking with little bit modifications board people can make, but the questions will be almost same. So you have to practice these all the questions, practice well, then only we will be able to understand them in the best manner. So now time is almost over. We will meet in the coming class. Till the time, keep practicing, keep revising. Good luck. Thank you. Be safe.